In first video we have seen how can you evaluate determinant of order 2, order 3, how to find minor and cofactor of elements and properties of determinants. Now in this video I am going to solve problem. How can you solve problem of determinant? What are the tricks to solve the problem by using property and without using property? I am H.G.TIWARY of DMCCL Grady going to solve the problem of determinants. First of all, I will solve order 2 easy questions. Gradually, I will go to the harder situations. You students, now solution of determinant problems. In NCERT book, exercise 4.1, just I am taking two very simple question, that is determinant. This is also a symbol of determinant, cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Evaluate this. So, in evaluation of this, it is very simple. It is order 2 determinant. So, we can simply write this into this, cos square theta minus plus sin square theta. So, that is cos square theta plus 1. So, value is 1. It is very simple, student. Now, evaluate the determinant. Question number 5. Determinant 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. It is order 3 determinant. So by any row or any column we can evaluate this, value will be same. It is easy to evaluate a column first row. So just the sign convention. So solution will be here determinant. You take 3. So this row and this column will be deleted. So 0 into 0 and minus plus and minus 5. And here put minus sign and minus 1. So this row cancel, this column cancel, 0 and plus 3. So minus 2 is there. So this row cancel, this column cancel, minus 5 into 0, 3 into 0, 0. So minus 15 and minus plus 3 and it is 0. So minus 12 is value. These are very simple questions of determinants. Now suppose 7 question, find the value of x. 7 question of this exercise. Find the value of x if first question 2 4 5 1 is equal to 2x 4 6x. So here you have to find x. 2, this is the value, they are equal. So we simplify this and equating, we get equation in x. So implies that 2 minus 20 is equal to 2x square minus 24. So it is minus 18 2x square minus 24. So minus 18 plus 24 2x square implies that 24 minus 18 it is 14 में start गया 14 में start गया 14 6 18 6 24 so 2x square so x square 6 by 2 3 so x is equal to root over plus minus root over 3. So this is the value. It is one mark question. First question is that using property x, y, z, first column elements a, b, c and x plus a, y plus b, z plus c, 0. You have to prove 0. To prove this, LHS is equal to RHS using property treatment without expanding in exercise 1 to 5. Prove that using property using properties of determinant we have to prove. So proof, you write proof, student. First step, you write proof and take LHS part, determinant x, y, z, a, b, c, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. You take this one. Now you use property determinant. Here we do, it is first column, it is second column. So C1 is changed into C1 plus C2. We operate this operation. C1 will be changed C1 plus C2. After this operation, we can get next step. We can get determinant. After using this property, it is x plus a and y plus b, first column element, and z plus c. So by using this property, we are getting this situation. You see, student, in this determinant, elements of first column and elements of third column are same, identical. These column elements, third column and elements of first column are equal. So as per property, we know if elements of any two rows and column are equal, then value of determinant will be 0. So this is equal to 0. That is RHS. Proved. So this is using property, we can prove this. Exercise 4.2, first question. Second, of determinant that 1 1 1 BC CA AB A B plus C B C plus A and C A plus B to bring this is equal to 0. We have to prove this. LHS is equal to RHS using property of determinant. This is the question. We have to prove this is equal to 0. This is determinant is equal to 0 using property. Here, student, one thing in keep in mind. it is a very important thing that if any row or column 1 is there, then determinant, evaluation of determinant will be easy. Because if there is a 1, here we see in this question, in first column, 1, 1, 1 is there. So it is easy to make 0 in this column. So we can use proof. We can use the property. Here we want to make 0. So we can do here R1, it is R2, it is R3. So if it is ordered 3 determinant 1, 1, 1, BC, CA, AB, B plus C plus A, and C, A plus B. This is the LHS part. So we apply the property R1 is changed into R1 minus R2, R2 is changed R2 minus R3. So write the property of determinant, write operation. So first of all you do, here one thing you keep in mind, if it is ordered 3 determinant, so at a time we will use two operation. At a time we can do 2 operations. If it is of order 4, then at a time we can apply 3 operations. So here we apply 3 operations, 2 operations because it is order 3. So R1 is changed into R1 minus R2. R2 is changed into R2 minus R3. So at a time 2 property you can apply. 1 minus 1, 0. BC minus CA and B minus AB and C plus A minus C plus A, and it is A, where is A? A will be, and it is BC plus A minus C A plus B, and now no change in third row, 1 AB and C A plus B. This is the thing. So student, here we see in first row, first column, there are 2 zeros. Now we can factorize this and this. We can write 0, 0, 1. Here is C is common, B minus A, and here simplify this, AB plus AC minus यहाँ तो B होगा, B. It will be B C minus AB. This is the element of first row, and here A is common, C minus B. Here in this third column, BC plus AB minus CA minus AB, and here is AB and CA plus B. So you see, next step you simplify. Here CB minus A. Now here we see AB positive negative cancel, and AB cancel positive negative. So we can simplify. Next step we can write, student, next step, determinant, that is 0, 0, 1, C, B minus A, and here is a C minus BC and A C minus B and BC minus CA and AB C A plus B. After simplification you get, here also we take common C, here we take common C. So next step, it is 0, 0, 1, C, C. Here we take minus common, minus A minus B. Here we take common C, A minus B. Here we take minus common, minus S, B minus C. Here C common, B minus A. C is common, there's a mistake I think. B, C plus A, B, C plus A minus B, C plus A, common, B minus A, but it should be B minus C. Minus C and 1 AB C A plus B. So be careful in solving. There is a here mistake, so it is pointed out. BC can cancel. Now we see that here in first row A minus B is here, so it should be common. B minus C here is 0, so 0 will not affect in taking common. So take common, student. A minus B common, B minus C common. In first row A minus B, in second row B minus C. So remaining 0, 0, 1 minus C minus A, AB, and it will be C, A and C. C, A or C. That will be there. C, C, A and C. Here is a AB and C, A plus B. Now we see, student, here we see that in first column maximum 0 are there. So in any column or row maximum 0 is there, then we will simplify this along this. So along first column we can simplify this determinants. So after simplification we can get so it will be simplified 0 into something, 0 into this 0 and minus 0 into something 0. Now 1. So it is a 3 1 to 1. So we can remove this row and this row and this column. A minus B, B minus C, and it will be that is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. So 0 into something 0. So value of determinants will be equal to 0. So this is the way of solution. If any determinant in any row or column contains 1, then it is easy to solve the problem of determinant. Now next question, student, I am going to discuss fifth question. Fifth of determinant, prove that B plus C, C plus A plus B, Q plus R plus P, P plus Q, Y plus Z, and z plus x plus y is equal to, we have to prove twice a, b, c, p, q, r, x, y, z. This is the question. Without using, with using property of to prove that LHS is equal to RHS, we have to use property without evaluation. So first we use property, till last in moment we evaluate. So by using property, we see that here B plus C, C plus A plus B, and Q plus R, R plus B, P plus Q, Y plus Z. So you do one thing, you in LHS, here is a C1, C2, C3. So we can change C1 is changed into, it is R1, R2, R3. So R1 is change R1 plus R2 plus R3. Do operation. So proof. Operation R1 plus R2, do in this way. R1 plus R2. So after this operation we are getting determinant. So it is 2A plus 2B plus 2C and C plus A plus B, and 2P, 2Q, 2R in first row, second element, and third 2X, 2Y, 2Z, and it will be R plus P and Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q, and X plus Y. So by this operation, we see that here we can take common 2. 2 is there. So take common 2. So A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, and A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. After this operation, we are getting this. Now we see also here we have to bring A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. So how we can get this one? So we will do this thing. So by getting, here we want in second Q. So how we can get Q? So apply operation, student, to get B, this here, or do, it is a second row, it is third row, it is first column. So you do R1, R2 is changed into R2 minus R1, and R3 is changed into R3 minus R1. You apply this operation. R2 is changed into R2 minus R1. In this way, we can get B this side. Here we can get C. So, applying this operation, we have simplify now after operating using proper protection R2 minus R2 minus R1. So here it will be minus B, and here it will be minus Q. Here it will be minus Y, and A plus B is there. So R3 minus R1 minus C, and R3 minus this. So it is minus R, and this is minus Z. After using this property, we are getting this. Now you apply property, that is R1 is changed into R1 plus R2 plus R3. What are you getting? 2. That is A. Here is P, and here is X. Here is a minus B, minus Q, minus Y, minus C, minus R, minus Z. You know, student, in minus 1 is common in second row, minus 1 is third row. So it will be 2, minus 1, minus 1. So we are getting A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. So it will be, we are getting the right hand side 2, A, B, C, and P, Q, R, and X, Y, Z. So this is the way of solution of determinant. We will use property, and using property we solve this. We apply operation and we will get the result. Here we see this is the RHS. So these questions have been solved in this way. So students, you use property and solve the questions and apply a suitable property so that you can get the answer. So this is the way. Now for homework, you solve exercise 8, 1, 2, 10, 1, 2, 11, 1, 2. In this manner you complete this exercise. Homework. Complete exercise 4.2 of NCERT book.